Hey everyone, it's 13, aka B, aka Brit here. And I need to tell you, we're living in a future we used to only see in sci-fi movies. AI is everywhere, and it's changing the game in ways we never thought possible. Today we're diving deep, and I mean deep, into the top 10 reasons you absolutely need AI in your life. We're talking about making your daily grind easier, boosting your productivity, and even unlocking a whole new level of creativity. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without it. Let's get started. All right, first up, let's talk about personal assistants. And I'm not talking about the kind that just fetches coffee. I'm talking about an AI assistant that's on point 24/7. Think Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. These guys are like having a super efficient sidekick, always ready to help you conquer your to-do list. Need to schedule a meeting? Boom, consider it done. Want to set a reminder for your best friend's birthday? They got you covered. And the best part? They're constantly learning and adapting to your habits. So the more you use them, the more seamless your life becomes. No more missed appointments or frantic last-minute scrambles. AI's got your back. Now let's talk health. We all know staying healthy is key, but sometimes life gets in the way. That's where AI swoops in with some serious health tracking superpowers. We're talking about AI-powered apps and wearables that track everything from your steps to your heart rate, even analyzing your sleep patterns. They're like having a personal trainer and a sleep doctor all rolled into one, right on your wrist. And here's the kicker. Some AI can actually detect potential health issues before they even become a problem. Early detection can be a game changer, and AI is making it easier than ever to stay ahead of the curve. Next up, we're stepping into the future. Your future home, that is. And trust me, with AI, smart home isn't just a buzzword, it's a reality. We're talking smart thermostats that learn your temperature preferences and adjust automatically. Imagine walking into a perfectly lit room with the lights dimming or brightening based on your mood. AI-powered lighting systems can do that. And don't even get me started on smart security systems that can recognize your face and alert you to any suspicious activity. Chapter 4, Netflix and AI, a match made in recommendation heaven. Okay, let's be real, we've all been there, scrolling endlessly through Netflix trying to find something to watch. But here's the thing, Netflix knows you better than you think, and that's thanks to AI. These algorithms are constantly analyzing what you watch, what you like, what you don't, and using that data to serve up personalized recommendations tailored to your taste. And it's not just Netflix, music streaming services, online bookstores, even news apps. They're all using AI to curate content that keeps you engaged. Chapter 5, Shopping Sprees, but smarter. I love shopping. Let's be real. Shopping can be a bit of a jungle sometimes, especially online. But guess what? AI is here to be your personal shopping assistant, guiding you to the perfect purchase. Online retailers are using AI to analyze your browsing history, your past purchases, even your social media activity to figure out what you might like. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your style inside and out. And the best part? No more sifting through endless pages of irrelevant products. AI helps you find exactly what you need faster and more efficiently than ever before. Now, here's Taco Smurf 2. Finish off the list.
Chapter 6, Customer Service, minus the wait. We've all been there, stuck on hold, listening to elevator music, just trying to get a simple question answered by customer service. But what if I told you AI is changing the customer service game, making those frustrating wait times a thing of the past? AI-powered chatbots are popping up everywhere, ready to answer your questions, provide support, and even help you troubleshoot issues 24/7. They're like having an army of customer service reps at your beck and call, always ready to assist. No more waiting on hold, no more frustration, just quick, efficient, and personalized support. Chapter 7. Let's face it, managing finances can be a bit of a headache. But what if you had a personal finance guru in your pocket, helping you track your spending, save money, and even invest wisely? That's where AI comes in, bringing the power of financial analysis and planning to your fingertips. AI-powered apps can analyze your spending habits, identify areas where you can save, and even automate your investments based on your financial goals. It's like having a personal CFO who's always looking out for your financial well-being. Remember the days when traveling to a foreign country meant carrying around a bulky phrase book? Yeah, those days are over. Thanks to AI-powered translation apps, you can now communicate effortlessly with people from all over the world, no matter what language they speak. These apps use sophisticated algorithms to translate languages in real time, even capturing nuances in slang that traditional translation tools often miss. It's like having a personal interpreter right in your pocket, opening up a world of possibilities for travel, communication, and cultural exchange. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all education. With AI, learning becomes a personalized journey tailored to your unique needs and pace. AI-powered learning platforms can analyze your learning style, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and then curate content and resources that are most relevant to you. It's like having a personal tutor who adapts to your learning curve, providing support and guidance every step of the way. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a lifelong learner, AI is transforming the way we acquire knowledge and skills. AI isn't just about practicality and efficiency, it's also about pushing the boundaries of creativity. From generating music to creating art, writing stories, and even designing websites, AI tools are empowering people to explore their creative potential like never before. Imagine having a creative partner that never runs out of ideas, always ready to collaborate and experiment. That's the power of AI in the realm of creativity. It's not about replacing human creativity, but about amplifying it, providing new tools and possibilities for artistic expression. And there you have it, folks. Those are just 10 of the countless reasons why AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a present-day reality that's transforming our lives in incredible ways. From simplifying our daily routines to enhancing our health, empowering our creativity, and connecting us with the world, AI is here to stay. So if you're ready to embrace the future and unlock a world of possibilities, jump on board the AI revolution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.